Akeneme uHelen Zille ngokuqokwa kukaJaji Hlophe womkhonto wesizwe ukuba abe kanye nalabo abahlulela amajaji alapha eMzansi Afrika. Angiqale nje ngubingelele ngikwamukele channel eMasweti Media Production okubingelelayo uMxolisi Mfana kaDlomo. Mangabe-ke uyaqala ukufika le channel cela usikhonzele iqiniso ukuthi ucofa subscribe maqedwe bale video ushaye like bese-ke uyakhomenta lolu daba lwanamhlanje. Uthukuthele ugane unwabo uHelen Zille ngokuba kuvunyelwe uJaji Hlophe ukuba ahole iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe enkantolo nokuthi aphinde futhi akhethwe ukuba ke abe yibhodi okanye ke abe kanye nalabo abahlulela amajaji alapha eMzansi Afrika. Usigxeka kakhulu lesenzo, ikakhulukazi uthi ke kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi ke ijaji elaphucwa izimendlela zalo ngokuthi ke liphula umthetho lijike futhi lizonikezwa amandla lokuthi ke lona ilona elizophuca abanye izimendlela zabo kanye ke ilona elizovumela abanye ukuthi ke bagcine izimendlela zabo mangabe kukhona amacala ababhekene nawo. Uthi ke lokhu kukululaza umthetho walapha eMzansi Afrika. Akagcinanga ke ngokusigxeka lesenzo, kodwa ke uthe bona njengeqembu leDemocratic Alliance, iqembu leDA lempi bayiqalile njengamanje bayayilwa iqembu yokuthi ke kususwe uJaji Hlophe ekubeni kabe umholi weqembu lomkhonto wesizwe enkantolo nasekuthenini kube uyena okanye ke abe kanye nalabo abahlulela amajaji. Ngicela ukuthi ke uyizwele ngowakho kade ke khuluma ngale ndaba.
So our case is in two parts. The first part is to interdict Dr. Hlophe from taking up his seat at the Judicial Services Commission so that he cannot participate in the appointment process of new judges, including one to fill his own vacant position of the Judge President of the Western Cape. That's the first part of our action. The second part is to get a court judgment that the National Assembly erred when they designated John Hlophe to be a political representative on the Judicial Services Commission. And we say that the Parliament erred because it is irrational and undermines the independence and integrity of the judiciary to have a situation where a former judge who was impeached primarily through the Judicial Services Commission and then through Parliament, for such a judge or a former judge to then be put back onto the Judicial Service Commission to choose other judges and partake in disciplinary processes potentially against other judges. So that is irrational. It undermines the independence of the judiciary and it undermines the integrity of the judiciary. So we're saying Parliament did not have to designate John Hlophe just because MK nominated him. Parliament had to apply its mind before designating somebody to represent a political party on the Judicial Service Commission.